Hello everyone. If you have a message address like this, want to split into address like this, like street, city, state, and zip code, with three simple techniques. Let me show you. Okay, the first method is called type two column. Okay, let me clean all this up. Okay, first of all, select your data right here. Go to data, see type two column, next, and choose comma. If you have semicolon or tab, please select appropriate one or other. Click next, and then choose general here where you want to be. So the destination should be here, start from here. So it start with B3. Okay, start with B3 right here. So that is okay. Boom, you got it right. This is type 2 column. Method number 2. Okay, let me clean all of this. Method number 2 is simple. We use flat field. You don't need any formulas. First of all, just type the first part for address, city, state, and zip code. Just separate all of that. Just double click it. If you got something different right here, the same, but see right here. And then you see flat field. Boom. You got it right. And New York, just double click and choose flat fill option. Boom. You don't need any formula. Just type the first sample and then choose flat fill and boom, you got it. Right? It takes some time. This one is very fast and available in 365 or Excel 21 or 24. Okay. So just prepare yourself right here. So we want to split it. We use text split formula. Text split. Okay. If you don't have it, you can try online. Okay, your text right here and column delimiter. Here separate by comma, right? Comma, 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 your data. So we do like that and comma. And the rest is optional, so we don't need it. Just like that. Enter. Boom. You got it right. Just try the formula right here. Boom. You got it. Okay. Hope you learned something from the video. See you next time.